Hi guys, in this video, I will teach you how to use Ortega method in 2x2.
First, you have to solve one color in the bottom no matter what is the lineup of colors. As long as you solve the color, it's okay. And for the second step, you will solve the top color with 1 out of 7 algorithms. For the third step, you will solve the rest of the cube by using PBL. You have to find two pair of colors like this for an easy solve color, and you have to find the rest of colors. If you see a yellow piece facing upwards, then line it like this, and you will see the color yellow facing right, then do the algorithm that will solve the color yellow. In this case, they are almost alike except the color yellow inside is facing left. If you have two yellow colors facing upwards like diagonal, then line it like this and do the algorithm. If you have one bar and two color yellows facing backwards and towards you, then do the algorithm. If you have two bars facing upwards and facing left, then just do the sexy move. If you have two bars facing towards left and right, then face the one bar towards you and do the algorithm. If you have a bar facing on left and the other side facing towards you and backwards like this, and do the algorithm. If you have a pair of colors in bottom layer facing towards you and no pair on top, then you should do this. If you have a pair on top layer facing towards you and no pair on bottom, then you should do the algorithm. If you have a pair on both top and bottom layers, align each other before doing the algorithm. If you have no pair both on top and bottom layers, then do this. If you have a J-perm or a bar in a top and sub layer, then do this. And if you have a white perm or the top layer doesn't have a bar, and you should do this.
So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Please watch my next video about how to solve 20 and tips and tricks.